So if you are having an issue with XAMPP not having different PHP version, and you need um, a, a server that can give you different PHP version, you can use Laragon. Okay, and using Laragon, it allows you to use you can have different PHP versions, and you can switch through the versions at any time. Now, this is how you can add different PHP version to your Laragon server. So, assuming you already installed Laragon to your computer and you have like just one PHP version, the default one that came with it. So this, you can go to php.net/download, php.net/downloads.php. Then this video is for Windows users, so you can go to Windows download. From any of the option, go to Windows download. Then you can see the different PHP version, PHP 8.3, which is the latest. Just scroll down. I want to have a lower version. This is PHP 8.2, PHP 8.1. Okay, because I'm working on a Laravel app, and using the latest version of PHP is not really working for me. So while trying to add the new PHP version, I just decided to do this video. So this is PHP 8.0. So this is what I'm going to download now. So you hit on the zip file, and this will automatically begin to download. So I have already downloaded this, so I'll click cancel, but for you, you have to click save and download it wherever you want. So I'll just cancel that. Now let's go to our download, assuming your download is now completed. So I go to my computer, I go to downloads, and here is my PHP 8.0, which I have already downloaded. So all I have to do is copy it. I've copied it, and I'll take it to my drive C, where I have my Laragon installed. I'll open the Laragon file, and then you go to bin, and then from bin you find the PHP folder. You see it here, open it, and you can paste that here and extract it here. Okay, so I still have a copy of this, so I can just delete this one now. So here is it, PHP 8.0. You can see I already have 7.4, 8.1, 8.2, and this is 8.0, which is being added now. So when you come to Laragon, sorry I did not show you before, but you can see it here now. So PHP 7, 8, 8.12. So there was no 8 there before, but now we have 8.0 installed. So this, you can switch through different versions. You see 8.4, you can right click here again. If we stop this, okay, restart it, just right click anywhere here, you're going to see PHP, see the versions, and then you're going to see 8.0, 8.1, whichever one you choose with is what your server will work with at that moment. So now I've choose 8.0. You can see PHP 8.0. So you can use this, create your database and do whatever you want to do with it, and it will work. So that is how you can have a server where you can switch different PHP versions, especially for those that are working with applications like Laravel or a suite CRM that uses different PHP versions. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you. If you enjoyed this, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share, recommend it to your friends. See you next time. Bye.